Good afternoon, everyone. This is Henry, and as we get into tonight's video newsletter, I've got 3 things that I wanted to show you that I think help define or will help you trade the current market landscape. There is some real volatility out there, and there are some ranges that some traders are just not totally acclimated to. So the first thing that I'm going to tell you is to start each day fresh, right? To come into these videos and tell you, hey, I think this is where this is going to open, and this is the trade for tomorrow. It's a little bit more difficult right now, because how is that helpful if we wake up to another 100-point down day? You've got some news, you've got the latest tweet, what have you. Things can look very different day to day, so be willing to come into the market with fresh eyes and just see what has been presented to you. I hate to tell you that the SPX is as easy as trading the 50-point strikes, but do consider that, right? When I talk about 50, the 100-point values will work in a similar way, where you run up into 6,800, and then there's a tradable move off of that. Sure, it did get the ramp up into 45, but then do you see how 6,800 is resistance, and then 6,750 ends up being the spot where we went bid today? So it's just waking up and not having an opinion, working to volley the index between these levels as it sees fit, and I think that is one helpful tip. Now, the other thing that I want you to think about is the witching expiration. So the witching expiration is due up next Friday. If we were to look at just a generic calendar, you would look at that and say, we are here, right here in this moment. And so much can happen over the course of the next 7 trading days. But one thing I want you to keep in mind is that when we land here on the 20th, that the main trade over throughout these several sessions will be that of vol contraction. Now again, be careful in the understanding of this, because it's really a vol pop, like somewhere in here we see another volatility spasm, an instance where the VIX really shoots up and then into expiration contracts. Because there's just the chance, right? It's a pattern to watch for, where fear-based moves will hit the markets through here, and then traders that panic to come in and buy puts, or traders that just simply overpay for volatility, then get to suffer through the volatility contraction of a witching expiration. And I think that's an important point to carry forward over these next 7 days. So that's helpful tip number 2, and then the third one viewers of this video will be very familiar with, and that is through that of the VIX. We've looked at that in every one of these YouTube video newsletters, and we have to, because I think it continues to do a very good job of visually describing this landscape, and we can keep it pretty simple by saying as long as we have a squeeze in play, I believe there are chances for volatility spasms, like what you saw right through here. I will continue to lean on that idea until the VIX makes 40, possibly 50. Inside that, the squeeze should fire, and I will consider myself wrong, or at least temporarily change course, if the VIX were to start closing back below the mean. So you just kind of see how, when it would dip down into it and find a bid, dip down into it and find a bid. Well, that keeps you in this volatility expansion regime, and as long as it keeps expanding, it will usually do so out into some big crescendo. Once that happens, then we start to get, maybe buying some stocks on the cheap. But I hope you found those 3 tips helpful. They're the best things I know to bring you for active, really involved traders, and that's what we're working on every day in the chat room. So, again, I hope you found it helpful. Have a great rest of your night. Hope to see you in the room tomorrow. Hey traders, this is Henry with simplertrading.com. I wanted to thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful, and if so, be sure to click the like and subscribe buttons down below. If you would like to also see me putting these ideas into action and trading my own account live in front of you, be sure to sign up at simplertrading.com, and I hope to see you in the chat room sometime soon.